Tommy/George. Tommy/George. Linda/Stephen. Linda/Stephen. Mike/Bonnie. Season 4, episode number 17. Mike's house is so toxic that a virus she contracted in the home caused her kidneys to fail and almost killed her. Her doctor advised her not to return to the home until it was thoroughly cleaned. Bonnie is a 46-year-old single mother of 2 teenage daughters, neither of whom can remember ever having a clean house. Tross/Jill. Tross/Jill. Michelle/Mary. Season 7, episode number 8. Michelle's husband is a recovering alcoholic and his sobriety is in real danger due to her massive doll hoarding. Claudie. Claudie. Dawn/Linda. Linda/Todd. Linda/Todd. Chris/Dale. Chris/Dale. Gordon and Gaye/Sir Patrick. Gordon and Gaye/Sir Patrick. Michelle/Kim. Michelle/Kim. Wilma/Nora. Wilma/Nora. Judi/Gail. Judi/Gail. Paul/Missy and Alex. Season 1, episode number 7. Paul was charged with criminal littering in 2008 and has failed to meet 3 court-ordered deadlines to clean his yard. His 2-acre property is strewn with over 20 junk cars, thousands of pounds of scrap metal, and hundreds of old appliances. In January, a judge sentenced him to 5 days in jail and gave him until April 26 to clean his property or face a fine and additional jail time. David/Nora. Season 7, episode number 6. David's 3-acre hoard has been deemed a blighted property by the city, and he risks losing his home if he doesn't get it cleaned up. Where are they now? Where are they now? Jim/Susan. Season 3, episode number 15. On August 6th, the police, the fire department, and code enforcement all descended upon Jim's house and told his family it was uninhabitable. Because of decades of hoarding, he is estranged from his siblings and his children. If he does not clean up now, Jim and his wife will be homeless, and the grandchildren that he has custody of will become wards of the state. Julie/Shannon. Season 2, episode number 5. Brian/Carl. Season 7, episode number 7. Brian is the president of his condo HOA. He sets the rules of upkeep for tenants, but his life contradicts his work as he lives in a hoard that would force any other tenant to be evicted. Debra/Patty. Season 6, episode number 1. Deborah has filled her house with an avalanche of clothes and run up a 0 credit card debt. Fed up, her husband and children are threatening to leave her to wallow in the hoard by herself. Janet/Christina. Season 2, episode number 8. Janet's picture-perfect life crumbled when her husband of 32 years died while waiting for a heart transplant. Devastated, her hoarding spun out of control and she has now hit rock bottom. She turned to shopping and began filling her home with decorating supplies, in the vain hope of completing a home remodel her husband had wanted to do. Dennis and Nadene / Erin and Malinda. Season 2, episode number 12. Dennis and his wife Nadene are compulsive hoarders who blame one another for the clutter and mess that has completely consumed their home. Dennis, a retired cop with an arsenal of guns and knives, has retreated to his bedroom in declining health. June / Doug. Season 2, episode number 11. 28-year-old June lives in a mobile home filled with keepsakes like Care Bears and Cabbage Patch dolls. She's not only facing violations of the city's fire codes, but a strained relationship with her 13-year-old daughter, Tori. There is constant tension between mother and daughter, and Tori has threatened to abandon her mom as soon as she turns 18. Lloyd / Carol. Lloyd / Carol. Jennifer and Ron / Jill. Jennifer and Ron / Jill. Patty / Phil. Season 1, episode number 6. Betty, Jill, Jake, Bill, and Paul date. Betty, Jill, Jake, Bill, and Paul update. Adella / Teri. Season 3, episode number 1. Just weeks before he died, Adella's estranged husband asked their daughter to help her mother clean up one last time. Adella's hoarding has already cost her a previous house, her marriage and relationships with her children. Janet / Bebe. Season 6, episode number 10. Janet is in denial about her hoarding. One of her daughters compares her to a venomous viper ready to strike if you dare talk about throwing anything out. There was raised with servants and boarding schools, and her husband gave her everything she desired. Susan / Michael. Susan / Michael. Deborah / Jim. Season 2, episode number 6. Deborah, a 49-year-old mother of 2, is living in fear that her hoarding will lead authorities to take her children away again. Her husband Ron is at his wit's end. He says her hoarding fueled his depression and alcoholism. She says his alcoholism fueled her hoarding. It all came crashing down around them when Ron attempted suicide in 2003. Now, Deborah's anxiety has reached an all-time high. Linda. Season 10, episode number 3. A depressed former beauty queen has not allowed her family into her Greensburg, Indiana home for years until a medical emergency exposes the secret she has been hiding. Her daughter questions her mother's sanity after she makes a shocking discovery. Tara / Betty. Season 1, episode number 3. Tara has been reported to her landlord and needs to clean out now or she'll be homeless. She's an obsessive collector, favoring things like McDonald's Happy Meal toys, nativity scenes, snow globes, and hundreds of teddy bears. Now Tara must finally get control of her hoarding and part with most of the clutter in her home or face eviction. Kerrylea / Lauren. Season 1, episode number 5. Kerrylea and her husband Jeffrey are facing imminent foreclosure on 2 houses. After her hoarding filled the first home, she convinced her husband that the only way to solve her lifelong problem was to buy an additional home, move just what they needed, and sell the original home. But with neither home sold, Augustine, Judi, Dennis / Nadene, Bob and Deborah. Season 4, episode number 3. In this special Hoarders follow-up episode, we check in on the progress of Augustine, Deborah, Dennis and Nadene, Bob and Judi from season 2. Andrew / Lydia. Season 3, episode number 17. 19-year-old Andrew's mother is a hoarder, and after living in the hoard his entire life, he has learned no other way to live. Stuck in a hoarded house with no job, no motivation, and no direction, Andrew says he needs to get his hoarding under control now in order to have a chance at a normal life. Gaye / Shirley. Season 1, episode number 4. While most 21-olds see a world of possibility in front of them, Jake wakes up every morning despondent at the state of his life, a prisoner to his hoarding and OCD. Jake compulsively hoards garbage. Snack wrappers, empty bottles, and rotting food are strewn in every room of the 2-bedroom townhome he shares with his alcoholic father. Cynthia / Ricky. Cynthia / Ricky. Phyllis / Janet. Stacy / Roy. Stacy / Roy. Glenn / Lisa. Augustine. Hannah / Kathy and Gary. Judi. Judi. Laura. Laura. Sandra. Sandra. Shannon / Linda.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.